Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you love Halloween or just a bold lip that's impossible to ignore, you're in for a treat. No tricks here. Today we're looking at the Revolution Truly Sinful Peel Off Lip Stain in red, designed to take your lip game to a whole new level this spooky season. If you've been hunting for something that's long-lasting, unique, and cruelty-free, let's see if this one's worth the hype. So what is this product all about? The Revolution Truly Sinful Peel Off Lip Stain is exactly as the name suggests. A peel-off lip stain that gives you an intense, vibrant red hue once it dries. The formula starts out black, creating an eerie, spooky look before it magically transforms into a bright, striking red when peeled away. It's designed to be transfer-proof and long-lasting, meaning you can expect this lip stain to stick around through your Halloween festivities, whether you're at a party or out trick-or-treating. In terms of its ingredients and formulation, Revolution has gone the extra mile with an innovative, vegan, and cruelty-free formula. It's free of any animal-derived ingredients, and PETA has certified it as animal test-free, which is a big plus for those of us who care about the ethical side of beauty. This is a great option for those looking to rock a bold, unique look while staying true to their values. When it comes to usage, I was genuinely impressed with how easy it was to incorporate this lip stain into my routine. It applies as a jet black base, and you simply let it dry for a minute or two. The instructions say to ensure the layer is thick and even for the best results, which is essential for making sure that vibrant red pops through when you peel it off. I personally went for 2 layers for a fuller effect, and it worked like a charm. Now, here's the fun part. Once you peel it off, you're left with a striking, long-lasting red. I wore it through a whole afternoon of coffee sipping and a few cheeky snacks, and I didn't have to worry about reapplying. The stain held up pretty well with little to no transfer, which is a major win. However, keep in mind that the application can be a bit tricky, especially when trying to get a smooth, even layer. If it's too thin, the red may not be as vibrant. It takes a little bit of finesse, but the payoff is definitely worth it. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the color payoff is impressive. It's bold, it's vivid, and the fact that it's transfer-proof makes it ideal for long nights. Another win, the cruelty-free and vegan formula, always a bonus. However, I did find that if you're not careful with the application, the product can go on unevenly, which can affect the final result. Additionally, some may find that the peeling process is a bit more tedious than they'd like, especially if you apply too many layers. Now, value for money is always something I consider, and when it comes to this peel-off lip stain, I think it strikes a good balance between price and performance. It's priced fairly for the quality and innovation, and the longevity of the stain means it's not something you'll have to reapply constantly. It's a great addition to your Halloween makeup kit, or really, anytime you want that wow factor. If you're in the market for alternatives, there are some other lip stains out there, but not many offer the same transformation effect. If you're willing to step away from the spooky black to red concept, other popular long-lasting lip stains or matte lipsticks from brands like ELF or NYX could be great options for a more classic look. But for something truly unique, the Truly Sinful lip stain really stands out. As for the build quality, I appreciate the sturdiness of the packaging. The tube itself is compact, making it easy to store and carry around. Plus, the formula itself feels pretty comfortable once applied. No tightness or dryness, which is always a plus when it comes to lip products. Final thoughts? The Revolution Truly Sinful Peel-Off Lip Stain delivers on its promises with its long-lasting, vibrant color and transfer-proof formula. It's a fun, innovative product that's perfect for Halloween or any time you want to stand out with a dramatic lip. While it requires a bit of precision for the best results, it's worth the effort for those who love a statement lip. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified of our future reviews. Your support helps us keep making honest, detailed reviews like this one. And if you've tried this lip stain already, drop a comment below to share your experience. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay beautiful inside and out.